here's another thing you guys can do to review your trades, by the way. If you come back, oops, let me go back. If you go back to, if you click on orders and go to all, you guys can select the trade that you wanted to review. So in this case, right, I had these contracts, $55. You can see I sold them at 65 cents, okay? So if we come back in here and we look at it, so I'll mark it at 65. This is where I ended up selling. Look at that, a thing went up to 85. But look at what I did. If you guys look at where I sold it, which was right here. See this? I sold it when it popped to the top because we knew this was a major level. By the way, if you look at that, that's just going to be this gold line. That's where it faded. Look at it. It touched here. It pulled all the way back. So I would have lost all of it. You see it? That's why I sold it right there. Does that make sense? So you guys can see right here, this is where I sold off. It did have a pop later, right? And now it's hovering around 77. Not bad. Just to do the math, right? Every 10 cents is $7,000. So at 75 cents would have been another 10K. And I told you guys that's probably going to, didn't I say about a $10,000 move on the pop? So it went over that, but that's what we were talking about.